Check this out, guys. We got a 1966 Chevy Nova 2. It's a 4-door. It's plastic dip. Look at that beautiful plum purple. That's awesome. Got some nice wheels on it. All right. So, and it's got a 355 with a big cam. He named it, but I don't remember what it was. Anyways, so it's got downpipes on each side, stock manifolds on each side, and then it goes 2 1/4 all the way back. And he had some knockoff FLOWMASTERs on it. It didn't sound good at all, so he brought it to us to give it that exhaust addicts touch. So we did. So we put 2 FLOWMASTER Outlaws series, part number 815425, there and right there, as you guys can see. Just cleaned it up for him, and then moved away the tips out the back, away from the tire that were hitting a little bit. So we gave him a little bit more space with the tailpipes out the back on each side, there and there. Chevy Nova 2 with a 355 with a big cam in it. All right, we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, there'll be a link in the description for everything that we can offer. And make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment, and all that good stuff. Pump it a little bit. Pump it louder, pump it louder, pump it louder, pump it. Put it wide open. Hold it down.
Mama, I love you. P.O.P. all the time. Much better. Wow. It opened up, that's for sure. Here's sound decibels. 112. Go ahead and back it out. Those were the aftermarket mufflers that were on it. That didn't sound good at all. You could barely hear it before. That's badass. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. Let you hear on the inside. Chevy Nova 2, 4-door with a 355 with a big cam. Don't disappoint! Traffic disappoints every time.